AI crypto coins continuing to surge. Artificial intelligence crypto assets now accounting for $4 billion in market value. We've been talking about AI crypto coins here for the past month or so, and we've been tracking some of the top ones here over the past several weeks. SingularityNet, AGIX, continues to deliver, up 13% right now in the last 7 days. The graph is the largest by market cap, ranked number 40 right now on the big board. It saw some huge moves just a couple months back. And you could see here Oasis, Render, Fetch AI. Fetch AI is another one that's had a great run. Same thing with Ocean Protocol. A lot of these right here at the top have been some of the biggest names in this space. But where will this stop? And when will it stop? And is 2023 the year for AI crypto coins? So a brief downturn here in mid-February for all coins, AI coins included here. But even with that, AI cryptos have continued to see adoption here and have shown really nice gains here in the past 30 days. Currently out of 74 listed AI-focused cryptos, the net value of all these tokens has risen to more than $4 billion, which actually accounts for 0.37% of the entire crypto market cap. AI has been a dominant theme here in 2023, resulting in a significant surge in the value of AI-focused tokens and big data. Bitcoin.com news reported on a rise of these cryptos at the end of January, and despite a brief pullback in mid-February, AI crypto assets have continued to see gains throughout this month. Now, the largest of the AI digital assets is the Graph, with a market cap right now of 1.42 billion. GRT has increased 70% against the US dollar in the last 30 days. SingularityNet, AGIX, the second largest AI-centric crypto asset, has surged 133% just this month. Fetch AI has already risen 53%. Ocean Protocol up 7% in the last 30 days. RLC, the fifth largest AI-focused token, increased 6% just this past month against the US dollar. The top five AI digital currencies: Graph, GRT, AGIX, SingularityNet, Fetch AI, Ocean, and RLC account for about 2.69 billion right now, or 67% of all AI crypto economy's $4 billion. So a lot of it is top heavy. I have mentioned these five that I really like. And, I've been kind of just waiting for some spots here, and we have not really gotten a major pullback with AI crypto tokens. I do think eventually we will, and I'll still be looking at some of these top ones on the board. The Graph, SingularityNet, my two favorite right now. Fetch AI as well. Render and Oasis right here. I've got to do some more digging in there because they're a large market cap, and they too have been climbing. They actually are pulling back in the last 7 days, Oasis and Render. So, you're starting to look here in the last 7 days. Even Ocean Protocol down 14%. I do like Ocean Protocol too. So there are some great possibilities that we will get a little bit of a pullback in this sector, and I'm going to be looking to really diversify out and get more exposure into the AI and big data tokens, because it's all about spreading the wealth, right? When it comes to crypto, you want a piece of all the different sectors, because you get a few big wins and there you go. It offsets some of those ones that don't go as well for you, or ones down the line you choose to move on from. And you can do that a little easier when you have some of the big wins. So that's why I like to spread everything out, diversify the portfolio. But AI cryptos definitely going to be, I think, an entire sector to watch for the remainder of this year, and it'll be interesting to kind of see what the next big catalyst for this entire sector could be, because it could be something major. And I think we're going to continue to obviously talk about it right here on the channel. So if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you guys do that down below. Hit that like button. Appreciate you guys, as always, for stopping in. And we'll see you in the next video.